Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got something a little bit different for you. But before we get started, I just wanted to shout out to all of my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much for everything you do, all of your liking, subscribing, thumbs up, and your comments, and just your general interaction with the channel always does help out. And if you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should ever have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. If you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. If you want to check out my website, that's at www.davethewatchman.com, where I do showcase some of the watches that I do review here on this channel and provide affiliate links so you can head on over and pick those watches up and wear them for yourselves. They are affiliate links, so they do not cost you anything more to use them, but they do send a couple of dollars over to me if you do decide to purchase one of these watches using that link, and that is very much appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into this video that I have for you today. I do have this Olevs watch that I have purchased. This watch is actually kind of a special watch to me because it was one of the first watches that I purchased when I started the collection and decided to do this channel. This is an Olevs watch. It is available on Amazon, and I will post a link to it in the description below so you can head on over and pick it up. But there is something that actually happened to this watch today, and I was kind of upset. I went to put the watch on and I actually dropped it. I dropped it pretty hard onto the floor here in the kitchen, and it actually hit really hard. And when I picked it up, I noticed that there was a little bit of a chip on the crystal there. I don't know if you can see it right there up there by the 1 o'clock position. I thought, okay, well, that if that's the worst that happened to it, well, that's fine. But then I looked at it closer and I noticed the second hand had stopped moving. And I got kind of upset about that because, like I said, this is a very important watch to me, and I've had this watch now. I purchased this watch in, I want to say, October of 2023. And it is now January of 2026. So I've had this watch just over 2 years, and it's been working absolutely fine. It looks beautiful. I wear this watch a lot, probably more so than any of the other watches that I wear. It is a very nice watch, and it's held up very well. Good quality, nice links on it. It looks beautiful. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. Just a beautiful watch all around. But I was pretty upset when it stopped ticking. Looking at the cost of the watch being very minimal, I did what comes naturally. You bang it. So I took it out into the garage and I banged it up against the bench about two to three times, and the second hand continued to move. So not really sure how professional of a repair that was, but it actually got that second hand moving again. And that makes me very happy that I don't have to get rid of the watch and buy another one. However, if I did have to get rid of this watch and buy another one, you would be actually very surprised to find out how much the cost of this watch was originally. Right now, this watch is available on Amazon, and there's actually a sale on it, but it's $42 right now, and there's a coupon for $38. So you can actually pick this watch up for $38, which is a really great deal for this watch, because like I said, I've had this watch for over 2 years now, and it's worked absolutely fine except for the massive hit that it just took on the tile. It fell from probably about 4 or 5 feet off of the counter, and it hit the ground pretty hard. And it's, like I said, it stopped that second hand for a little bit, and then I was able to get it moving again. I am a little bit upset with the fact that the crystal is cracked, but otherwise, guys, it's a very beautiful watch. It will last you a long time. You'll be able to wear it many times without any issues. It is, like I said, just over 2 years old, and it still works absolutely great. I'm not really sure if I'm going to have any lingering effects from that shock that it took where it stopped that second hand. But it seems to be going pretty well. It's been, I got it running probably about a half an hour ago, and it's still ticking away. The subdials they're still working. So if you can see that second hand down there also works. The 24-hour day hand and the month, all of that, everything works great on it. So guys, really nice watch, Olevs. Let's see what the number is on this one. It's number 2870G. Obviously, these are not sapphire crystals. It's 3 ATM water resistant. It is a mineral crystal with a Chinese quartz movement, but nonetheless, a very, very nice watch, and a really nice watch for the price. I will be posting a link to this in the description below. So if you head on over to Amazon right now, like I said before, it's normally $42, but there's a coupon price at $38. Looks like $38.49 right now. So I definitely head on over and pick one of these guys up. There are other options that you can choose from as well. It looks like they've got a silver, a black, one with a blue dial. Let's see if we can get zoomed in here. There we go. Silver, black, silver and blue, gold, black. Just a bunch of different colors that you can choose from. But if you like the gold, that's this one right here. Same watch. Beautiful, beautiful watch. Really nice watch with great quality. So I definitely recommend heading on over and checking out these watches. Olevs is a great brand. I have quite a few Olevs watches in my collection, and you can start a nice collection for not a lot of money, and I really love that concept. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't ever believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And once again, if you want to check out that website, it's at davethewatchman.com. I do post a lot of the watches that I do review here on this channel, and they all have affiliate links to either Amazon or AliExpress, where you can click on those affiliate links and head on over and check these watches out and maybe buy one and wear one for yourselves and start a nice little watch collection for not a lot of money, because that's what I'm all about here at Dave the Watchman. So if there's any other watches that you want to see on my channel, make sure you drop that in the comment section below. Let me know what you're looking at. I might just pick up that watch that you recommend and do a review on it for you. But I do have quite a few watches on the way. And I will be reviewing a lot more watches coming up, so definitely stay tuned to the channel. Click that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified for more videos. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman. You guys all have a great day, and I will see you all in the next watch review video. Thank you.